back to my channel. Today I am completely barefaced because I want to try a couple of new products. Of course I have already put on some moisturizer, but guess what I got in the mail? And the crowd goes wild. It's the Soft Glam palette. Guys, I haven't even taken it out of the box, man. Like, I'm just so excited to show you guys. But what would life be if I paired it with the Amrezy highlighter? Life would be amazing. So let me unbox it in front of you guys on camera. So I'm just gonna... Oh, that's backwards. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Look at that! That's so nice! Oh, I can't wait. Sorry, makeup addict problems. I think a card thingy is gonna fall out. Yep, there it goes. Oh my god! I lost my voice, so that would be a real scream. Guys, look at these colors. They're so beautiful. Holy shit. Can I swatch one of the middles? I want to swatch one of the middles. Just one of the middles. Let's swatch this one because... Oh, it's so nice. Anastasia, girl, you really brought it to the table. Holy shit, these are so soft and nice. I can't wait to put them on my eye. That's kind of real cool, you know. I can't wait to like spray some Fix Plus on that. And let's start off doing with my brows. I'm gonna quickly just do my eye base. So what I usually do is I take my Tarte Shape Tape, which is light medium, and 2 dots on the eyes. I go with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I mix the two on top, right on top of the lid, and just spread it out everywhere basically. So after I've done that, all I'm gonna do is take some Amrezy powder. Just gonna grab a lot of that and set it all in place. A bone. Today I'm thinking of doing a halo eye because I feel like whenever I get a new palette, I don't know. I feel like a halo eye just shows you how much a palette can do. Oh my god, there's so many colors. So 3 of these colors are actually repeats, so that's interesting, which is the burnt orange, the sienna, and the Sipper Somber, which is great because I was running out of Sipper Somber anyway. I love that brown. It is like the nicest brown, and it's because it's kind of a cool undertone, which I love because it's just like, I think I'm gonna start off with Dusty Rose. The Dusty Rose color is like one of the nicest colors they have. Ooh, look at that. It's a little bit darker than I anticipated, but we could go for something dark. Not a problem. Oh, look at that color. The way it blends is pretty. And it's blending really well. So I'm going to use Orange Soda, which is a color I really wanted to try out since I saw this palette. And I'm going to put that above my Dusty Rose to give it more of a orangey kind of a warmth. Then I'm going to go with... Too many choices. I'm going to go with Sienna. I'm going to go... Oh, shit. I'm just going back and forth with that, you know what's up. Alright, so that is going to be my beautiful 3-step transition. I'm going to take this color Mulberry. Oh, very soft. Me likey. And I'm going to start by putting it from one end to the other. I'm going all the way into the corner of my eye because, like I said in the beginning, this is going to be a halo eye, guys. I sound like one of those roller coaster people. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the roller coaster. Today I'm going to be your guide. Please keep your hands and feet inside the roller coaster at all times, just in case your limbs chop off. Yeah, no, I can't be one of those people. So now it looks like this. It's much deeper, darker. I'm going to take the color Noir, which we all know is the black, and I'm going to start off with the, oh, girl! I love the Inglot black eyeshadow. It's one of actually my favorite shadows, and this actually does black eyeshadow justice, which is really cool. Well, I think I'm going to use a little bit of tape for this. Anyway, I'm going to take this, almost like wing it out as a liner. So I'm blending it out here as an eyeliner, winging it, and then I'm bringing it towards the middle of my eye. And then I'm gonna start off with my inner corner. Bring that around town. Remember that said SpongeBob episode? Bring it around town. Around. And Squidward's like sitting there getting like super pissed. Oh my gosh, my Squidward is literally my older sister. Like, my older sister is Squidward. Yeah. I am just working this up. So inside the corner of the eye, out here, and like over the bridge, connecting to the other corner. I'm gonna take the color Mulberry, put that right on top as a means to blend out the black, but that way the black doesn't actually blur out. It just deepens and spreads a little bit, but that line still stays, and it makes it like more defined, you know. Get into that inner corner and just blend. I'm gonna take this tape off like a boss. Girl, you know what I'm saying, we like that wing. I want to use my heart-shaped tape. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that in the middle of my eye. And then just kind of follows that like as a guide. Oh! Sorry. Put his crease. So I like to go in with my finger first and blend out the edges. I'm gonna take the 217. I'm gonna go in with the mulberry, not the black, the mulberry, and I'm gonna put that on top first on the edges. Then I'm taking on my 15 brush, taking Noir and blending that a little bit into that mulberry. Still doing a black. I'm gonna take this dome brush that I have. I'm gonna take this color Rose Pink. I'm gonna put some Fix Plus on that. Yay, your girl's about to. Holy shit! Okay, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, I think you outdone yourself. That's what's happening here. But like, they came out with like a Bam Pal product, man. This is so cool. I feel like I just put on liquid metal on my eye, and it's oh, I'm just, look at that color. I mean, I think that looks great. I don't know, I'm dying. I'm gonna take some of this fairy color because that looks cute. I'm gonna put that in the middle. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of mulberry and blend the edges. Alright, so I have this Catcall eyeliner, and it's by Urban Decay. I'm going to put that on this. Wow. I'm actually kind of shocked and really amazed at how this turned out. Okay, so I am taking my MAC 252 brush, kind of looks like this, and I'm going to take the Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to highlight my brows. Take some MAC Fix Plus, so that on top of my brow area. Nice. And I'm just gonna take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just gonna blend my highlight and my pigment over here together. You know what? I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So, all right, guys. So I have done the other eye, and let's get on to the foundation, because I like to do the eyeliner last, because then I can do the under eye, and then according to that I do the eyeliner. So let's get to the face. I'm gonna use MAC Prep and Prime for my face as a primer. I totally opened my eye. That was really bad. Tapping into the skin. I'm going to use the Josie Moran oil. And with the Cover FX Moonstone Drops. A little bit on the face. Oh, I feel like the Tin Man. I like to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Becca Papaya Corrector. It kind of looks like this a little bit, so you don't need a super lot. And I'm just gonna put that right underneath my eye using my middle finger. And I'm gonna set that orange pigment into place so it doesn't move around when I have to put my foundation on top. So once I've set it, I'm going to start with my foundation. I'm going to be using Estee Lauder Double Wear in Cashew. New bottle, what's going on? Amazing, beautiful. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put that all over my face. And now I'm just gonna bake underneath my eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. The rest of the face, you're gonna set it with some banana powder by Ben Nye. I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna use an angled brush by Makeup Revolution that my aunt got me. I'm gonna use the MAC Blunt Blush. I'm gonna just use it in the corner on my cheeks and the corners of my forehead, as well as my double chin right here. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go for blush, which I'm gonna use today my NARS very nice Dolce Vita. I literally stick to one blush. I mean, it's my thing. Amrezy eyeliner time, guys. So I'm just gonna dip my Anastasia A23 brush in the highlighter. Then I'm gonna take some Fix Plus and spray that on there. Time for the test. So, oh, that translates really well. Yes. Oh, nice. I think I'm shining. I love it. You cannot tell that I have highlighter on when I'm like face front. Like other highlights, they have like a dark color. But this is really light and really popping. Wow, I'm so impressed even without Fix Plus. It's so, wow. Do you guys see this? I feel like I'm glowing on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose. This is so nice. I look like a glowy goddess. By the way, my brows are Anastasia brows. I used chocolate dip brow, and I used ebony brow duo to set it. The Anastasia clear brow gel. Just helps make the hair look more hairy. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Bittersweet. These came in a trio. My sister really liked the other two. She's like, please, can I have it? You have so many. I'm like, no, but then I was like, okay, fine. But I wanted to keep this one because I like the color. So now I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Color Midi. So I'm just gonna put a bunch on there. And then I'm gonna take a clean brush. And basically I'm just tapping that out to create an ombre lip. I'm gonna do that same thing on the top lip. Pat that all in. And once I've completed that, I'm gonna go on to my eyeliner. I'm gonna do a wing liner for this look, but not too thick, just so you can still see the halo eye. And once I finish this up, I'm gonna just apply the lashes, which I'm using Ardell lashes here. And that is the finished look for the eyes. Alright guys, look, I put on the lashes and I did the liner. I also took some of the rose pink color from the palette and I put it in the middle of my lip. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just putting a little bit of clear gloss on it to make it a little bit more pretty. I'm gonna put some Fix Plus on my face. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I'm so happy of how it turned out. The highlight is popping, the halo eye is coming through, the lip gloss puts it all together. I'm so happy. I love Anastasia, oh my god. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do anything else, any requests, any redos, remakes. I feel like I'm actually good at those. So if you have like this look and you're like, oh my god, this person didn't put up a tutorial, I will like literally recreate that look in a tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. As always, like if you like it so I know what kind of stuff y'all like. Love you guys so much. Take care. Bye.